Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan. This is Hamilton, who is Skylar's dog and the greatest, sweetest, warmest, most affectionate dog in history. He's a terrific dog. He's going to get some tests today to make sure he's okay. I am going to try this toothbrush and see what, if anything, it might do as far as keeping my teeth clean. So the Autobrush runs about $120 on Amazon. It comes with a wireless charging dock, and you can change the color of the LED lights. So I've got some disclosing solution in here. Not a pretty picture, but so we're going to put some toothpaste on this, as they say. It's the first time I've used it. Just going to try it out and see what, if anything, it might do and affect as far as its being effective is concerned. I think we press, this is a power button, so that blue light means it's going to be on for 60 seconds. We can do 30 seconds, we can do 60 seconds, we can do 90 seconds. So we're going to do 60 seconds. So here we go. That's what we have. Now, I don't know how effective this is. I can tell you one thing. I didn't really feel it doing much scrubbing. I felt it vibrating, maybe some slight stimulation. And we're going to take a look. I'm going to take a look myself. Okay, so there you are. It's certainly cleaner than it was, but some of the areas between the teeth look like they still have some disclosing solution. I'm not sure why one would use this. Perhaps there's novelty to it, but I certainly didn't feel the stimulation, the scrubbing, the cleaning that I like to feel when I'm brushing my teeth. And we're going to talk about other toothbrushes, what I use and what I recommend. But basically, this is, I'm not quite sure what it was meant to do, but I didn't feel personally that it did much as far as cleaning or stimulating my gum tissue. That might be easier for kids to use. They're advertising it for children. But if it's easier but not effective, really, what's the difference? You want something that's going to be working and that's going to be effective and that's going to clean the teeth effectively. Now, again, this is my own personal experience with this. I personally prefer other toothbrushes that I feel are doing a more thorough, stimulating job as far as cleaning and stimulating the tissue is concerned. And we're going to talk more about that. So in the meantime, remember, if your gums aren't healthy, you are not healthy. You can't be healthy if your mouth and your gums aren't healthy. Impossible. So have a healthy mouth. You will have a healthier body. We'd love you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I think you can get an alert, press a bell, and you'll be alerted when we have another video. So we'd love to hear from you. Questions, comments. At any rate, stay healthy, mouth healthy, you'll be better. Have a great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.